Hey, good morning YouTube. This is King Rancher 13. I've got something really exciting for y'all. It's been something I've been wanting to do for a minute. This is the day. Actually, it's 7:30 right now and on a Saturday, but figured I'd get started early because there's a tropical storm or something coming in this weekend, saying it's going to be here about 10 o'clock or sometime midday. So I figured I'd get started on the truck early while it's still cool, and so that it's done before it starts pouring down rain and it's not fun to be outside and shoot videos and stuff. So I want to say thank you so much for watching this video. Please make sure to watch till the end to see, as I was saying before, my gimbal decided to die on me all of a sudden. Please make sure to watch till the end to see how it turns out. But as you can see from this video, what we're going to be doing today is deleting a 2020 Ford Powerstroke. And just as a disclaimer, we are indeed in Mexico, so this is legal. We got no EPA in Mexico. If you're watching this right now, thank you so much for your support. Please make sure to hit that like and subscribe if you haven't already, and comment down below and let me know how many miles per gallon you think I'm gonna get, or what else I should do performance-wise to this. I've done a breakdown video on the difference between the 2017 and the 2020s, or the 2017 through 19s and the 2020s in a previous video, which I'll tag up here somewhere. That way y'all can watch it after you see me delete this truck today. So I'm super excited about it. It's something that I've been wanting to do for a minute, and I finally had the opportunity to. Took a lot to be able to get to this point. So if y'all have a 2020 and you're needing it deleted, please let me know. Make sure to hit us up at Outdoor Trucks. We're on Instagram, outdoor.trucks, and we're on Facebook. Do a little plug. We got some hats in, which you can see on our website, outdoortrucks.com, and make sure to get some stickers. After further ado, let's get rolling. Get started, I'm gonna do a little before exhaust clip just to let y'all hear what it sounds like at stock. So, and a little shout out to the old truck. It doesn't get driven anymore. So there you have it, super quiet. Barely, I mean, you don't hear it in the cab at all whatsoever. So, I'm normally a grandpa, and I run just the race pipe or a little less than a 4-inch exhaust on there with the stock tip. But I think this time around, I'm gonna go ahead and go big. And I was kind of forced into this position because I got a call the other day. I got a customer in Mandeville, Louisiana, kind of had an emergency deal going on. He uses his truck for work, and his truck has gone into limp mode, and he's got a big job he's got to get to on Wednesday. So I happen to have one exhaust that's going to replace just a factory DPF. I'm taking what I was going to put on mine and put on his, so y'all are welcome. Just got wrapped up doing the delete on my 2020. Probably about maybe 100 people that have done it. This is my first one. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. We're gonna go ahead and do the startup on it. So here she goes, first startup. There she is. I'm going to go ahead and do a test drive here, so I'll take y'all along with me. So for my trip, I was getting about 18.3 miles per gallon. There goes Josh. There goes Colby. I'll put the windows down so y'all can kind of hear the exhaust a little bit. Oh my gosh. The torque, holy smokes. I just barely tapped it. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and put the windows up so people don't see me filming while I'm driving. Wow, the power on this thing is unreal. I don't know how to describe it to y'all, but that dead pedal's gone. The throttle response is unbelievable. Let's take it on the highway and just see how it does. And I will be doing a fuel economy test maybe in a couple weeks or so. I don't really have any trips coming up or anything like that, but as I get the time, I've got a pretty busy week, so as I get the time to, I will do an MPG update. That's all I've got for today. Thank you so much for watching. Hope y'all enjoyed. Let me know if you like how it sounds with a 5-inch and what else I should do to it. I'm gonna put on a couple other things later on, so I'll update y'all as I do that. But that's it for today. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Please hit that like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get a notification next time I upload a video. But till next time, peace out.